the collaborators:
Amos Hernández,
Carol Deita, Jimena Lamillo,
Natalia Espina,
Carla Gámez,
Manuel Mora.
and we are going to present our simulation model of a tea house based on formwork and its construction processes.
We will present our magazine, Building Dreams, and start with the introduction. In the magazine, we will present the construction processes and materials used in 3 projects. These are the Changi Airport, Marina by Sands along with Gardens by the Bay in Singapore, and our simulation project. We will talk about the objectives of each project, their topographical and foundation analysis, their technical challenges through images and plans, and how they become tangible structures that reflect modern and artistic architecture. At the first part, we're going to present Changi Airport and about his design. It's famous for its innovative and luxurious design. It connects 3 terminals and features 2 main attractions: the Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall, and the Shiseido Forest Valley, an indoor forest with trails. It also combines nature and commerce, highlighting the airport as a vibrant urban center that attracts travelers and residents. Technical information. It was designed by Safdie architects, occupying 135,700 square meters, with 870 square meters reclaimed from the sea. Terminal 4 was completed in 2019, and Terminal 5 will be completed in 2030. With a 40 meters high waterfall, it currently handles 68.3 million passengers annually, and with the new terminal, it will be able to receive an additional 50 million. Preliminary. Located 20 kilometers from the center of Singapore, it was built on land that required a land reclamation process. This consists of filling marshy and coastal areas with marine sediments and other materials to raise and stabilize this area above sea level. Foundations. Deep foundations were used with concrete and steel piles driven to great depth to achieve firmer layers and provide stability to the structures. Structure. Allows for a column-free interior with a system of glassing, shading, and ventilation to ensure comfort and the well-being of the plants. It's 198-meter dome, and it's supported by 14 tree-shaped columns and water trusses to support the weight. Lighting. The airport lighting combines natural and artificial light, taking advantage of the glass dome and efficient LED luminaries. It highlights the Rain Vortex waterfall and the interior gardens, creating cozy atmospheres. In the commercial areas, it highlights products with target lighting. Finishes. Changi combines indoor gardens, such as Forest Valley, with a glass dome and finishes in marble, granite, glass, and wood. It fuses an urban and natural environment. The complex houses airport operation, attractions, stores, and restaurants, and is connected to the airport terminals, accessible to passengers and the general public. Then we are going to talk about Marina by Sands, especially about the design. It was designed by Moshe Safdie. Its innovative design integrates 3 towers linked by a sky park with an infinity pool and gardens. It stands about for its sustainability, energy efficiency, and the combination of modernity and nature. Become a tourist and architectural icon of Singapore. Preliminary. Marina by Sands covers 15.5 hectares and was built over water by dredging and filling marine land. The complex includes 3 hotel towers and a subway infrastructure with advanced techniques to ensure its stability. Technical information. Marina occupies 154,938 square meters of land and has a built-up area of 581,400 square meters. It was designed in 2006 and completed in 2010 with a height of 195 meters. It can accommodate approximately 5,000 people. Foundation. Due to the aquatic and less stable terrain, a special foundation was used with deep concrete and steel piles, driven to firmer layers of the sea subsoil. The technique was provide the necessary stability to support the 3 hotel towers and the complex additional large facilities. Structure. It features a column-free structure with a high-performance facade with efficient glassing, shading, and ventilation to optimize comfort and energy efficiency. Its 198-meter facade is supported by 14 tree-shaped columns and a ring structure, combining modern aesthetics and sustainability. Facilities. Marina by Sands incorporates energy-efficient technologies, natural ventilation, and sustainable materials, as well as a rainwater harvesting system for irrigation, reducing its ecological footprint and promoting sustainability. Lighting. Marina by Sands lighting harmonizes with its architecture and natural surroundings, taking advantage of natural light through large glass facades during the day. At night, an artificial lighting system highlights the design, especially in the Sky Park Infinity Pool. Finishes. It combines green spaces and modern architecture. The Sky Park offers panoramic views and an infinity pool, while its glass and steel facade allows for natural light. Finish in marble and granite, the complex fuses commercial areas with natural spaces, establishing itself as a benchmark for sustainability in Singapore. Gardens by the Bay. Technical information. Located in Marina Bay, Singapore, it covers 101 hectares, with 54 hectares dedicated to Bay South and the rest under development. Opened on June 29, 2012, it was designed by Grant Associates in landscape architecture. Design. Gardens integrate nature, art, and technology. Highlights include super trees and cool domes, the flower dome, the world's largest greenhouse, houses warm weather plants, and the cloud forest recreates a tropical environment with a waterfall and a 43-meter structure. Preliminary. Prior to constructing Gardens by the Bay, extensive environmental and engineering studies were conducted to evaluate soil stability and drainage needs on the reclaimed Marina Bay land platform. The design integrates sustainability strategies such as advanced water management systems, temperature control, and reduce energy consumption. Measures were also taken to preserve biodiversity and mitigate the ecological impact of urban development in the area. Foundations. The foundation of Gardens by the Bay use innovative solutions to support structures such as the super trees and the climate control conservatories. The latter house Mediterranean and tropical gardens, and their flexible design allows for events and exhibition. Structure. It features 18 super trees that integrate sustainable technologies, such as solar panels and water harvesting. Facilities. Gardens by the Bay includes aerial walkways, educational areas, and sustainable systems such as rainwater harvesting and a biomass plant that generates energy and heat from organic waste, essential for the maintenance of the biomes and other park infrastructure. Lighting. The lighting stands out with the super trees, which feature LED system that create synchronized light and sound shows, known as Garden Rhapsody. Finishes. Gardens by the Bay combines tropical climate-resistant materials with sustainable design, maximizing natural light and minimizing energy consumption. Its super trees, domes, and gardens use native flora, positioning the park as a model of architecture and sustainability.